Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today we have an unbagging, but little hint, I already did this once and my camera wasn't recording, so we're going to go through this again. This is part 1 of my review for 7Great. Part 2 will be this afternoon at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, USA. So do catch that, and that will be a stitch with me. So we got 2 kits from 7Great. If they have any specials, or if I have any coupons, or not coupons, discount codes, I will put them right here, and I will put them in the description box below. So let's get to the first kit. And it is a Joy Sunday. It is 36 by 37. And it was $8.11. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I love this. It's called Summer Mood. Very nice. And it is a partial, so you don't do the back, you know, the background. And it does have some half cross stitches and some back stitching in. But I just absolutely loved the colors in this. Oh my goodness, everything is just, it's being a day. There we go. And it is stamped, so that's always nice. Let's take a look at the instruction booklet. This is 160 by 166, 14 count, and there's not much what do you call it, half cross stitch that I'm seeing. It's mostly the background where you see those symbols with the line through them. Now this has 40 colors, and it does have printed on here the symbols for the paper pattern, and on this side it has the symbols for the canvas. So that's nice. But yeah, it has 6 colors in back stitch and 5 colors in half cross stitch. So it only has full cross, half stitch, and back stitch. So very nicely done, very nicely printed, nice and big. So you can see everything and where all the little stitching goes. It's not too bad. I mean, as far as back stitching, it's mostly outlining a few things. So that's not too horribly bad. I thought this is doable. Let's look at this page. So it's these pages front and back, and then this one front and back. So it is separated out into 6 pages here. So at the bottom, there's your page number. So number 3, or sections, if you will. There's section 3, so you know right where, you know, to stitch or go to if you need to look up a certain symbol or you can't see something. But this is pretty clear. Very nice. Just beautiful. I'm glad it's bigger. It's not so tiny and everything cramped together and you can't figure out where to stitch on it. Very nice. But yeah, that half cross stitch goes along the back here. I'm looking. There's no French knots in this. So I don't see any other, what do you call it? Half cross stitch. Not at all. So, and there was how many half cross stitches? There's only 4 or 5, so it might be someplace else. Like, sometimes they do it in between the flowers to kind of make a shadow, if you will. So, very nicely done. Good job. Good job. Joy Sunday. Very good. And 7Great for that matter. Let's take a look at these beautiful colors. It does come with 2 needles. If I get everybody to go in the right direction. So you're using B5200 for the white. There's no dark brown here on this one. Beautiful purples and blues. I love that blue. That is gorgeous. 383 $1.39. Beautiful. And the greens, this is going to be gorgeous. I just love that little pot of jam. In fact, I'd just do the little pot of jam and wash it and call it good. No, can't do that. It'd be too easy. But I'm glad it's a partial. Beautiful purples. We have 550 purple. But look at those blues in that. I don't know what that is. Like a pale rose. Gorgeous. And then you got some more rose and some more dark reds. Beautiful blues. Ugh. It's just too much some days. I love those blues. We put that here and excuse me, I was out in the wind yesterday trying to get the order in, and oh my goodness. It was just windy enough, you know, that it just irritated everybody. So beautiful canvas. It's nice and smooth and fairly thin since it's 14 count. And there's how big it is. And it does have the product name and the 2 numbers that were on the front page. And see how small the key is? So that's why you have the paper pattern to refer to with the canvas symbols. They're much easier to read. But yeah, just gorgeous. Let's see here. We have, hang in there, 14.5 inches or almost 37 centimeters by 14.25 inches or 36.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 29.5 centimeters and a little over 11.5 inches by 11.5 inches or 29 centimeters. So nice size. There's going to be some big areas. I'm not seeing a whole bunch of confetti. Just kind of rivers of color, which is nice. And the back stitching is going to bring out all these flowers and all the details of the picture and the pot of jam and the bread. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'll hold that up. Whoop, let me fold it in half. Holy cow. I'm bending half backwards there. But very easy to see symbols. Very nice. Just gorgeous. I love that. For $8.11, yeah. All day long. All right, let me get the next one. I had it sitting up there. Now the next one is 47 by 57. It was $15.28. And it is 14 count as well. This is called Gorgeously Colored and in Perfect Harmony. Is that not beautiful? Look at all those antique colors. And there's going to be a little bit more extensive back stitching in this one because you're going to go around those flowers in the vase and then some of the detailing in, I guess it's sitting on a table maybe, and then that part of the vase. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. I love the reds, a little bit touch of blue, complementary colors, red, green, blue, orange. Just, ugh. And I like how they made this like two-tone, if you will. Is that not gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Lift up my light so you can see what's going on. Now you can't get a sense of how the back stitching is by this picture. Not too well. So we're going to look at the paper pattern here, if I could just talk. All right, let's see. So see how it the back stitching goes around that detailing on the, I'll call it a table, the table, and then around the flowers. So this is all broke down into 9 pages, or 9 sections, if you will. This has 49 colors. You have full stitch, half stitch, back stitch, and 1 French knot. So that's not too horribly bad. And I don't know where the French knot is, but I'm not seeing it like right offhand. So that must mean we don't have a whole bunch of them. Because usually, you know, it kind of stands out, if you will. And it does have the symbols for the canvas as well as for this paper pattern that's on this side. These go to the canvas. We have 310 black. We have 814 and 817 and 777 in brick reds that I can see right off the bat. And I think for the lightest, like white part, is going to be this cream color of 746. So, and you have 1, 2, 3, 6 colors in back stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors in half cross stitch. So your background is going to be done in half cross stitch and probably some shading here and there. That's how they usually work that out. But just beautifully printed. Nice, big, easy to see. So it's not too terrible of the back stitch. You're mostly trying to bring out those flowers. It's where I'm seeing a lot of it. And then maybe some stems. And the decoration on the, what do you call it? The vase and that table loop-de-loops there. So, not bad at all. Still not seeing no French knots. This is upside down because the numbers are upside down. But see these right here? This is all half cross stitch where you see that black. So, that's a good thing. That makes the background go way faster. And some right in here. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at the colors. It does come with 2 needles. Let me get it laid out here. So, see there's no 3865 or B5200 for white right here. But you have tans and kind of a medium peachish color. And a little bit of teal. And then this way you have also 939, so there's a little bit of it. And there's another dark, well, I guess that's green, isn't it? Kind of a darker green. But look at the pinks and the yellows. You have kind of orangish color. Just gorgeous. There's your reds. That's 3777. I have used that for something. I think it was on one of my counted cross stitch. It's a beautiful red. We have 310 black. Look at the purples flanking it. Oh my goodness. Reddish orange. More reddish orange. Bright, vivid yellow orange, I'd say. 2 of those. Just gorgeous. And then you have kind of more antique colors. Blues, greens, reddish, like a rusty color or bittersweet color. And that's a pretty color too. It's like a medium salmon color. So gorgeous, gorgeous threads. I'll lay them all out there. Aren't they beautiful? Just stunning. They do such a good job. You know, no details are left out. They do well with their shading. Just absolutely stunning. Yep, I'm going to have to start both of these. I can see that now, but I don't know which one I'm starting today, so hang in there, guys. We'll find out, I guess, when we find out. When I find out, or figure out, shall I say. The canvas is serged all the way around. It does have the product numbers that were on the front page and the name of the kit. It is 216 by 270. And it goes, whoa, goes up and down. So all that background right in here, maybe not that color, but that blue and that pink are all half cross stitch. You come into the blues. So it's mostly the background is going to be half cross stitch. So that's nice. That just takes a load off. You know, you You see this great big huge area right over here, and you go, oh my gosh, I got to stitch all that full cross. And yeah, no. All that blue, purple, and then all this orange is all half cross stitch. And even down into the table, this is all half cross stitch. So very nice, very beautiful, just gorgeous. Let's see if we can measure this puppy. Does have a nice big key though. They're very nice and easy to see. Well, probably help if I turn it right side up. Easy to read, you know, the numbers and the DMC numbers. So this one's a little bit bigger canvas area, shall I say. So it's a lot easier to read all the symbols. We'll get back to that in a minute. Let me measure. All right, we are at 56 centimeters or 22 inches by, we are getting there, maybe, 47.5 centimeters or, 18.5 inches. Actual picture size is, so it's good size, is 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters by 48 centimeters or 19 inches. So it's good size and full coverage. But, you know, part of that full coverage is your half cross stitch. So the rest of it looks like a breeze. I'm not seeing any confetti anywhere. The back stitching is going to bring out all the flowers. It'll be just stunning. Just stunning. You could pick one color and go for broke if you wanted to. Just so easy to stitch. It's just going to be a little time consuming, you know? Very nice. Beautiful. Thank you, SevenGreat, for these two gorgeous kits. Love them. If they have any specials or discounts, or if I have a discount code, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Now, SevenGreat has diamond painting. No, they do not. They only have cross stitch. I'm sorry. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have the bookmarks and the pillowcases and the canvas bags. They even have beaded embroidery. Now, I do not think they have any silk. I'm not sure. That may have changed. But do check them out. They always have great prices and great sales. So check out what they have and see if it's anything that you would like to do. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. And don't forget, part 2 will be this afternoon at 1. Bye-bye.